In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan in Calendly. Upgrading your Calendly plan is a quick way to unlock more features, like advanced integrations, additional event types, and better control over your availability. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also share a few small tips to help you feel confident about what you're doing. First, open Calendly in your web browser and sign into your account, if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your main Calendly dashboard, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile area. Depending on your setup, this might appear as your initials in a small circle or as your profile picture. Go ahead and move your mouse to that upper right corner and click on the profile icon. This click is important because it opens up a menu that controls your account level settings and options, including billing and upgrades. If you don't see it right away, make sure your browser window is maximized so nothing is hidden off screen. After you click the profile icon, a drop-down or side menu will appear. In that menu, look carefully for an option labeled Upgrade. This may be grouped near other account or billing options, but it should clearly say Upgrade. Now, click on Upgrade. This will take you to Calendly's upgrade or pricing page that's specific to your account. Here, you'll typically see the different plans that are available, with a comparison of what each one includes. Take a moment to review the options, especially if you're not yet sure which plan you want. Look for details like the number of users allowed, access to integrations, customization options, and any advanced features that matter for your scheduling needs. From this page, you can follow the on-screen prompts to choose the plan that fits you best and enter your payment details if required. Calendly may also show options for monthly versus annual billing, so choose what makes the most sense for your budget and how often you expect to use the platform. Once you have completed the upgrade process, you'll be returned to your account with your new plan active. That's all it takes. Click your profile icon in the upper right, then click Upgrade, and finalize your choice on the upgrade page.